This is Joshua, ur14cs123, and this experiment will be designing a simple web page using HTML and CSS. Okay, this is the web page that has been designed using HTML and CSS. Let's see how the coding is done. First of all, in the head section, I give the name of the title. I give the title, that is Fender, and that's it. And now for the CSS part, we put it in the style tag, which has a header. The first development is called header. The header contains everything that is in the top part of the web page. So as we can see, the top part of the web page has the company's logo and the background color maroon. The text is aligned at the center. And in your unordered list, we've created an unordered list in order to create the menu. The list style type is none, which makes the menu items get displayed horizontally, and the margin padding overflow is hidden so it doesn't come out of the menu bar. Background color, and the list item is floated towards the left side. So you can see that the menu items are left aligned, and the list item A, there's a hover. So when you put a mouse over it, it will change the color. So this is a hover, and that's it in the style tag. Now for the body, all the things that are described in the body of the web page will be coded in the body part. So you can see there's some text regarding Fender musical instruments. This has been described in the body tag, the development in the header section. First of all, the image SRC. The image SRC is the source of the image where the logos to be printed. And these are the links for each of the menu items. So when the menu item is clicked, it will direct you to each of these links. Suppose guitars. When I click on guitars, it directs me to a new link, guitars. And when I click on basses, it directs me to a link. When I click on amps, directs me to another link. All this is described using the ahref tag. Now for the list item, input type text, name music, list music. This is for the search box that has been created here. And the data list. The data list will contain, the search box will contain the options, guitars, basses, and amps, and that's the end of the data list. Now, in order to separate the pages, into different sections, we create a table. So your table is created with border 1, and in the table data we give the information about the Fender musical instrument that has been displayed here. Now in order to add an audio and video, we use the commands video controls and audio controls, where you give the source SRC. So here my source SRC is Snow MP3, that's the name of the song. So when you click on this, and now when you click on the video plays. And when you close the table data. Now in the same way, the footer also is used to describe the end of the page. In the footer we use the table borders 1, and in the table data we give the information, contact us, address line, mail ID, phone number, etc. And then we create a form in order to create the sign and registration link, username and password. Using the form tag, we can give in two inputs, one for text and one for password, where the text will appear as it is and the password will appear in bullet and encoded format. And we'll also create an input type submit button in order to submit the details entered by the user. See under the form tag. Now in order to add maps, we use the tag imap, iframe, I'm sorry, iframe, and copy the source which will be displayed here. That's the end of the table and footer, body, and HTML. Thank you.